Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your WhatsApp app is not working, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have connected to a strongest internet connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and from here, if you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, because sometimes it might be that there will be any network issue or your VPN is connected, so you cannot use your WhatsApp. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open your browser and you have to check if WhatsApp is down. So you just have to search for is WhatsApp down, and then you have to write your country name here and then search. So you will get the results if your WhatsApp is down or not. You can see that WhatsApp is not down, so might be that there will be any issue into your WhatsApp app. So the very first you have to open your settings, then go for apps, then go for WhatsApp app from here, and you have to make sure that you have enabled all the toggle and you have allowed all the accesses from here. You can see this, that full access photos, and these are enabled, toggles are enabled. And once you have checked, or if you are still having the same issue, so you have to open your app store, and here first of all you have to try to update your WhatsApp. So go for search and simply search for WhatsApp, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update here, or if you have any pending update, try to update your WhatsApp. And after updating, if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here look for WhatsApp. Try to offload your WhatsApp. So select offload app, select offload, and once you have uploaded your app, you have to try to reinstall app. So it will fix if there will be any bug into your WhatsApp app. So it will be fixed in the steps. Select or reinstall app, and after that your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix if your WhatsApp is not working on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.